As the cryptocurrency space is rife with scammers and hackers, it is in your best interest to safeguard your investments. In this video, I will delve into the top 6 safest and user-friendly wallets to store your Ethereum and other valuable cryptocurrencies and use for Ethereum transactions. Have you ever wondered if your wallets automatically help you to find the best exchange rate on Ethereum for all your transactions in real time? How wonderful it is! Ethereum, as a powerful platform, has a lot of wallets for transactions of all forms, and we look into the top 6 easy crypto wallets to use. It's indeed an exciting time to invest in Ethereum, with ETH 2.0 on the way and the Ether currency breaking new all-time highs in 2021. So what's the best way to store your Ether? In the video, you'll find a detailed list of the best Ethereum wallets on the market today. I factored in security, convenience, added features, and ease of use when choosing these solutions. Time to dive in and get your ETH wallet. Number 6. Garda. Garda is a leading multi-platform, decentralized wallet for virtual currency assets. With Garda, users can exchange and engage in all forms of Ethereum transactions, like staking of coins, multifaceted security, and easy usage for user comfort. It also allows users to own their account keys without fear of potential hacks or threats. It is described as a simple and secure wallet. It also boasts of multi-signature reforms to ensure the safety of your wallets. Garda, like most wallets, is very compatible with popular hardware wallets like Ledger. For the record, Garda is one of the few wallets that support coins from a variety of blockchain platforms, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, etc. The platform also boasts of very dynamic web and mobile versions for users to access their accounts irrespective of their geographical location. It has web, desktop, mobile, and shielded wallets, which provide you with 24-hour access to your holdings in different forms. Number 5. Rainbow Wallet. The Rainbow Wallet is a mobile-only Ethereum wallet with one of the best user interfaces on the market that assists users in handling their assets. It offers all the top-notch features expected of Ethereum service. It has an iOS version, whereas the Android version would be outdoored very soon. The interesting thing about the wallet is that it was designed to make Ethereum more fun and easily used by the uninterested consumer. Rainbow Wallet users can pay for the virtual currency, Ether, using Apple Pay and can be linked with Metamask. Compared to other wallets, Rainbow does not hold assets on behalf of its users. However, Rainbow Wallet helps you to exchange assets from individual wallets without a third party like a financial institution, allows purchase of crypto arts from different websites, allow users to link existing wallets with Rainbow with ease. Have you thought of the idea of having an almost hack-proof offline wallet to store your precious Ether? Then the next wallet might be just the wallet to solve your problems. Number 4. Trezor. Trezor is the first ever hardware wallet to be designed for virtual currency. It was first designed for Bitcoin only. Currently, it now supports Ethereum. Trezor has been designed to store Ether offline on a highly protected chip that is only activated upon logging into an individual account. It is very portable and comes in 3 distinct colors: black, white, and gray. The account keys are protected with their storage on the device, which makes it impossible to hack this device. The wallet is an open source, and there is no software tracking the digital wealth of the user. The cost of the hardware wallet is $99. Number 3. Ledger Nano S. The Ledger Nano S is one of the cheapest Ethereum hardware wallets available. It costs $60 to purchase one. The cryptocurrency is stored offline on the device, just like Trezor, and it is highly secured. One fascinating thing about the wallet is that it comes with a mid-OLED screen, which enables you to keep track of your finances, and it also has an integrated chip which can store other applications. Investors have control over their account keys and can support more than 1,100 cryptocurrency coins and tokens. It works on only Android devices. It is highly recommended for beginners, and it is rated one of the best crypto wallets in the world. Number 2. Ledger Nano X. The Ledger Nano X has the same specs as Ledger Nano S, But what makes the X very different is the Bluetooth in the device, which helps you to access the internet alongside its basic functionalities. In addition, the Nano X provides more storage for cryptocurrencies, Ethereum transactions, and you don't need to bother about deleting many files to free up some space. The Nano X works on both Android and iOS devices. It supports more than 1,500 cryptocurrencies and is widely accessible, offering one of the best designs. It is relatively expensive. It costs $149. Number 1. Metamask. Metamask is a Web 3.0 wallet and arguably the most popular crypto wallet. It enables you to have an all-round access to all decentralized services on the platform, on the web, or through an application software. After signing on Metamask, you are given a special account key to indicate ownership, which stores your information on the ledger and is also used for all transactions on the platform. Metamask also has a special feature called the Metamask swaps that aggregate all decentralized exchanges to find the best exchange rate for all your Ethereum transactions at a service charge of about 0.88% on the amount transacted. If you want to have a wonderful experience with Metamask, then you should own a hardware wallet like Ledger or Trezor to protect you from being hacked by a third party. Metamask is your best bet. Which wallet suits your interest? Leave a message in the comment section. Find out more about Ethereum price prediction and other amazing facts on the Ethereum market structure for 2022 in the next video.